Hey guys, I'm at the top of Angel's Landing at the Zion National Park, and I gotta tell you, this is like the craziest hiking I've ever done in my entire life. This shit is fucking scary, and gosh, I'm terrified to go down because it's like slippery and icy, and it's beautiful up here. And it is, but it's also the most dangerous hike to do here at the park. So fuck, wish me luck. And I hope I get down safe in order to post this video. Ah! Crazy, it's the craziest hiking ever. But here we are. Enjoy the view. See ya.